Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will change Excel's language by using macOS settings, so begin here. First, confirm the desired language is added in System Preferences Language and Region and set as primary or secondary. Close Excel and every Office app now. Unsaved files should be saved because apps may relaunch. Once done, restart your Mac if prompted by the system. This ensures the language pack applies at an OS level. Open Excel only after the Mac OS language is correctly set. That triggers Excel to adopt the new UI language. With Mac OS language set, open Excel to let it detect the OS language. If Excel still shows the old language, quit Excel and check language and region order. Drag the target language to the top to make it primary, or ensure it's listed if you prefer fallback behavior. After adjusting order, restart Excel. Sometimes a full system reboot is required for Microsoft Auto Update to align language resources. Make sure Microsoft Auto Update runs so Excel downloads any available localization files automatically. Finalizing, verify Excel's help about or menu labels are in the chosen language. If some elements remain unchanged, run Microsoft Auto Update and install updates. Localization files often arrive through updates. If problems persist, sign out of Office, uninstall Office, and reinstall while the Mac OS primary language is set. This forces Office to install the correct localizations. If you run into trouble, try toggling the Mac OS primary language to a different option, reboot, then toggle back and reboot again. That often forces a language refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.